Hello and welcome to this video. I'm your host Leo, and today in this video we are going to talk about subjective pronouns. Now, subjective pronouns are very important in English grammar. So without further ado, let's get down to it. Here we have some subjective pronouns. The first one that we have is I. I is used for me. I means me. If you say I, it means you. The next one that we have is he. Now he is used for a man or a boy. A man or a boy, which means he is only used for male persons. The next one that we have is she. Now she is used for a girl or a woman. So it means we can use she only for female persons. The next one that we have is it. Now it is used for a place, a thing, or an animal. We can use it instead of a place, an animal, or a thing. The next one that we have is you. Now you means you. You know who you are. We. Now we means we. It involves me with someone, me with my friends, me with my students, me with my parents, me with my wife. The next one that we have is they. Now they represents, or they is used as a subjective pronoun instead of a group of people or a group of animals. It is used for more than one people or more than one animals. Alright, I guess you would have understand subjective pronouns. Now, to better understand it, we will get down to some examples. Now, we will be using these subjective pronouns in sentences that are Carl sings. Now, Carl is the name of a man or a boy, which means he is a male person, so we will be using he sings. The next one that we have is Rachel sings. Now Rachel is the name of a woman or a girl, so we will be using she. She sings. The next one that we have is Carl and Rachel sing. Now Carl and Rachel means two people. Now two people, it's more than one, it's plural, so we will be using they sing. They is the subjective pronoun used for more than one people or more than one animal also. The next example is the horse runs. Now the horse is an animal, so we will be using it runs. The next one is the dog and horse run. Now again there are two animals, more than one, so we will be using they. The subjective pronoun they is used for more than one animals. They run. The next one is Marcel runs. Now Marcel is the name of a pet, which is a male pet, so we will be using he here. He runs. Alright, now we have some examples for extra practice. You will have to guess it with me as to what subjective pronoun we will be using here. Now the first one that we have is my players play. My players play. Now my players mean that it is more than one people or a group of people. So we will be using they play. Now they is the subjective pronoun used for more than one people or more than one animals. The next one that we have is Matthew is smart. Now Matthew is the name of a man or a boy, so we will be using he here. He is smart. The next one is the stew is delicious. Now the stew is a thing, so we will be using it here. It is delicious. It is the subjective pronoun used instead of a thing. The next one is Islamabad is a city. Now Islamabad is the name of a place, and we will be using the subjective pronoun it as in the name of a place. It is a city. Now remember, it is also used instead of a place as a subjective pronoun. The next one is my parents had pets. Now my parents mean two people, more than one. So we will be using the subjective pronoun they had pets. There are more than one people, so the subjective pronoun they is used for more than one people. They had pets. The next one is my wife and I love hiking. Now it involves me and my wife. Now whenever it involves me, I'll be using the subjective pronoun we. We is the subjective pronoun used for more than one people that also involves me. We love hiking. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you have a good understanding about subjective pronouns and how to use it. Give us your feedback in the comment section. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.